starting up my keto again, and then tonight I'll be making asparagus or low carb diet. So I'm just making some asparagus with butter, and I'm gonna add some salt and stuff. We'll be making some meatloaf, and then I will be using this. It's grass-fed. I bought it from Sam's. So I'm gonna be eating this, and I shall be just experimenting with the ranch seasoning inside. I'm just gonna put this, an egg, and some seasoning, and that's it. I just put one egg and the ranch dressing and that packet of powder. So I never made this before, but I'm just gonna try it. Okay, guys, I just put some mozzarella cheese on the top. I just make it any kind at this point to try to see what will taste good and what will not. I got it on 350. I'll leave it in for half an hour, and this is how it's looking. So the meat that I'm using for the hamburger is the Wagyu, and it doesn't even have a lot of oil in there. Look, you know, it just has some. You see it? The oil, I don't know. No, I think it's about the same amount. But anyway, that's supposed to be grass-fed, and grass-fed is good for your clean keto. And then this is another cauliflower buffalo without the crust. Okay, so that tastes delicious. I just had a little piece of it, but it's done now, and this is how it's looking, and it tastes really good. Let's ask Keanu to taste it. Okay, so Keanu is gonna taste it. It's hot.
The oil tastes good though.
Yeah, it's grass-fed Wagyu hamburger.
Good.
He said it's all right. It's good, but yeah, to me it's good. Alrighty, guys, so it must be good because he's getting a bowl to make a plate. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching my meatloaf recipe. Take care, God bless, and I will see you guys all in my next video. And this would be a good keto way to make hamburger. I didn't add no bread or anything like that, just the egg and the powder of the ranch dressing.